Hi, my name's Toby Militao and I'm the director of Militao Carpentry Limited. We're a local, friendly and efficient carpentry business based in Oxford in Surrey. We specialise in bespoke, high-end fitted furniture. So we carry out fitted kitchens, wardrobes, understairs storage solutions and alcove units. We also carry out other types of carpentry works as well. We've been around since 2011, so we have a very good reputation in the local area. If you require a professional, efficient, high quality carpentry service, please get in touch. Thank you.